In today's world, almost everything we do with technology depends on software and apps. Understanding these terms helps us use computers, phones, and tablets effectively. In this lesson, learn what apps, programs, and software are, and how they work together to make devices useful. An app, short for application, is a kind of software made to do a specific task. Mobile apps work on phones and tablets. Desktop apps work on computers. Web apps run through an internet browser. Every app is built to help users complete something easily, such as sending messages, editing photos, or managing notes. A program is a group of instructions that tells a computer exactly what to do. Each program performs a certain task, such as calculating numbers, creating documents, or playing videos. Programs are the building blocks of every digital tool you use. Whether simple or complex, they make your device work smoothly. Software is the collection of all apps and programs that run on a device. It gives instructions so the computer can operate and perform tasks. Without software, hardware such as screens or keyboards would not function at all. From tiny mobile apps to operating systems, all these fall under the category of software. Both apps and programs are forms of software, but they are a bit different in purpose. Apps usually focus on simple, specific tasks like booking a taxi or chatting online. Programs are often more complex and perform larger operations like editing videos or managing files. The main difference lies in how they are used and who they are built for. Software is divided into different categories. System software controls the computer and connects hardware together. Applications software helps users finish tasks, for example, writing, browsing, or designing. Utility software keeps the system healthy by cleaning files or protecting against viruses. Each type works in its own way to make devices effective and reliable. Installing software means adding a new app or program to your computer or mobile device. This allows it to work properly. You can install software by downloading it from a website, installing it from an app store, or using an installer file. Once installed, the program becomes ready to use whenever you need it. Updating a program means replacing the old version with a newer one. Updates often bring improvements such as faster speed, new tools, and fixes for small problems. Usually, you check for updates, download the new version, and install it. Sometimes a restart is needed to complete the process. Regular updates keep your device working safely and efficiently. Updating your software regularly helps keep your device protected and running well. Updates remove errors from older versions, improve performance, and guard your system against new online threats. They also add useful new features and adjust the program to work better with other tools. Keeping software up to date ensures both safety and convenience. An app performs specific tasks. A program contains instructions that allow a computer to complete actions. Software includes all apps and programs that make devices useful. You can install new software and update it often to maintain smooth performance. By learning these basics, you can better understand and control the technology you use every day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.